price. We'll start from there and go from there. We'll start a lot too. And Danny went one more.
On these bulls, we've got 4 prices to get started. After the sale, if there's any bull that's no sale, you can try to buy them after the sale. Last couple of years, they've been gone pretty quick. So I recommend if you got a bull you want, you better try to go and buy them and sell. On the females, if they don't get sold in the sale, then we'll just keep them, so they won't be available. So try to buy them in the sale too on the females. Thank you.
And ladies and gentlemen, those of you that's new to the Black Herford Association or Black Herford Cattle, Scotty Auction Service, myself, and I, we go all over the country, things like hosting sale bills or hosting different auctions, and we have people come up to us, ladies and gentlemen, and say they've seen us at the Smithson Farms on the Black Herford sale, and some of the best calves they've ever had, some of the best bulls they've had. Their cows are doing great. Folks, you're going to buy some good animals today. Amy's taking care of everything. Everything's speak for itself. Bulls, they're all good and square, good brisket guys. You're going to buy some good animals today, so get in, help yourself, and don't hesitate to bid if you want to bid. We'll go ahead and get the sale started. Lot number 2, year number 2252. All right, here we go. 3250, now 32 and a half, 3250, now 3250, now 3250, now 32 and a half, all 3250, now 3250, now 35, now 3500, all 3500, now 35, now 7 and a half, ready, 7 and a half, all 37 and a half, 3750, now 7 and a half, now 37 and a half, all 3750, 3750, now 7 and a half, all for y'all, now 7 and a half, last chance, 37 and a half. 37 and a half, down 40. Now the 4,000, now the 4, now 42 and a half, now 42 and a half. All 42 and a half, now 250, now 42 and a half, now 250, now 42 and a half, now 42 and a half, now 42, 50, now 2 and a half, 41, now 41, 41, 41, 41, now 2. All 4200, now 3, now 43, now 44, now 44, and 5, 45, now 6. All 4600, now 46, and 7, 47, now 8, 48, all 4800, 48, 78, 4800, all 9, 49, 49, 49, all 8, 4900, 49. So straight away, $4,800 on 38. All right, moving on, ladies and gentlemen, to lot 6, year number 153. All right, here we go.
This bull looked good all year. He's a tank. I really like this bull. But he wants to make some cows and he's glad to get her.
All right, now 32 and a half, and 32, 50, 50, now 35, we same way. 35, all 30, 35, 45, now 30, yes! Now 7 and a half, now 4,000, yes! 42 and a half, and 45, all 48, 45, 45, all 45, now 45, 30, 44, yes! 45, now 6,000, now 48, 49, 49, 5,000, 50, 102, all 52, now 53, now 54, now 5400, 5400, all 5400, 5400, all down 5400, 5400, sold at $5,300, buyer 36. All right, you can take it with me, ladies and gentlemen. And folks, one more announcement. We run a super auction show. We will not run anybody. We do have some people on the phone bidding for folks that cannot be here, and they may even be bidding with 2 different numbers. So we will not run anybody. They've explained to me what they're going to do later on. They're going to be bidding for 2 different people at the same time. So I just want you to know we do run an honest show, folks. We don't want you thinking you're getting ran out. All right, lot 3. Your tag 1402. I'm 32 and a half. I'm 32, 50. Yes! 30, 35. 30, 35 here. I'm 35. Now 7 and a half. 37, 50. tag number 933. All right, number 32 and a half. Number 32, 50. Yes. 37 and a half. 37, 50, 36. 3600. 3600. Now 37, 38, 22 the number. All right, lot 19, ladies and gentlemen. Tag 953. All right.
This bull's cow has been a particular cow. The cow's just what they're really like. She's always been productive. Definitely believe once they have built her around.
All right, here we go. That's 32 and a half. 32, 50, then 250, and 32 and a half, then 250, and 32 and a half, then 250, and 250, then 32 and a half, then 250, and 31. 3100, then 250, and 32. 3200, 32, now 3200, 3200, now 33 and 4, then 3400, 34, 35 and 6. 37, 37, 37, 38, 38, and 39, now 4,000, 4,000, 45 Tire 8. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving on to lot 20. Gear tag 1303. All right, here we go. That's about 3,000 there.